Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus 10 Pro have got the third close beta based on OxygenOS 15. This do bring some changes and still OnePlus haven't added any kind of AI features. We'll talk about them also. So here we have the OnePlus 10 Pro. You can see currently running OxygenOS 15, which is the close beta build. And this is the third build version you can see, which is 15.0.0.303. This update comes with 5th November 2024 security patch, and I received an OTA update as I am a part of close beta testing program. So let me show you the details here about the update size. You can see the update size is very small, which is around 141 MB, and we are very close to getting the stable build of OxygenOS 15. As per the timeline, if you see here, OnePlus 10 Pro will receive OxygenOS 15 in the month of Jan. Another 5-7 days we'll get to see the release candidate version, which will be the stable version for OnePlus 10 Pro. And guys, before moving ahead, we have 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Now first let me talk about the AI features. So till date, not even a single AI feature have been added on OnePlus 10 Pro. If you see the close beta builds of OnePlus 11R, on that device they have started receiving the AI features what recently OnePlus 12 have got. And guys, if you are using OnePlus 12 device, make sure to check out the video which is being displayed on the screen, because it brings some amazing features on OxygenOS 15 which even we were not expecting, like the new watermarks in the camera application, filters and many more stuff. So do check out the video which is being displayed on the screen. So talking about the AI features here, I did test out in all the applications like Notes. We still don't have the AI assistant feature till now introduced on OnePlus Notes application on OnePlus 10 Pro, and even the Recorder application doesn't have the feature of AI summary or AI transcript. And now I highly doubt that OnePlus will be adding. Let's wait for another beta build, I mean the closed beta build. If on that build they add the AI features, then there are chances that we might get to see in future. But if not, I highly doubt that OnePlus 10 Pro will get AI features. And even in the camera application, we still don't have the feature of live photos. Now let's take a look at the change logs. It won't be a lengthy video guys, because there's nothing much to talk about. First change, if you see under system, they say now they have added the animation of volume control. Previously, if you guys have seen our previous videos of OxygenOS 15 for OnePlus 10 Pro, in that we never used to see this thin volume slider. And this animation was also not there, which you can see whenever I'm pressing the volume key. After that, if you see the next change, which is layer 2 retouch appearance in video calls, which says now it supports more application. So here if I go to the settings and search for retouch appearance in video calls, now you can see we do have the application highlighted here. If I show you on OnePlus Nord 4, which is also running OxygenOS 15, here you can see I do have WhatsApp installed here, but in this the applications are not listed. But if you see on OnePlus 10 Pro, now the supported applications are also listed, and I think this slider is to adjust the retouch appearance. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll still test it out on my OnePlus 10 Pro. Then with the third one, they say they have improved the system stability and performance in some scenarios. We'll talk about the performance while comparing the benchmark results. And one of the major issue what they have fixed, that's layer 2 Bluetooth headphones. So I've been using my OnePlus Buds 3 and I've also tested on OnePlus Buds 2, because this was an issue present on my previous build like on OxygenOS 15. Even if it was connected to the Buds, sometimes the audio used to play via speaker. So after this update, it has been fixed. And with my OnePlus Buds 3, till now I haven't got any kind of issues. I received this update yesterday. Then they have also done some fixes. One of them is layer to convert to PDF. So convert to PDF was already working on my OnePlus 10 Pro even on the previous build. And the last fix is layer 2 camera crashes in some scenarios. Till date, I haven't faced any kind of camera crashing issues on my OnePlus 10 Pro even after OxygenOS 15. So these were the changes what OnePlus have done. Now let's compare the performance part with the benchmark testing. So here you can see these are the scores. These are the latest one, in which single core has scored 1620. You can see almost similar scores are to be seen on previous build also, but with multi-core the scores are slightly higher. In terms of CPU throttling, on this latest build, maximum CPU throttled 80%, average gips were 3,30,000. And this time I did perform 15 minutes 100 thread test. All the tests were performed in high performance mode. On the previous build, maximum CPU had throttled 81%, but the average gips were lower than 3 lakh. With Antutu benchmark application, the latest build scored 9,12,885. If I talk about the previous build, that time the scores were slightly on the higher side, which were about 10 lakh. When it comes to stress test, on the previous build scores were 62.3% in terms of stability, and on this latest build they are almost similar, which is 62.7. So in terms of performance while testing with benchmark applications, we did not notice much of improvements. So guys, as said, there's nothing much to talk about this. I'll keep you guys posted. Now very soon we'll be seeing a release candidate version of OxygenOS 15 for OnePlus 10 Pro. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions related to this device, do let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.